Quality batch testing shouldn't slow down production, but for small and mid-sized manufacturers, it often does. SMB batch manufacturers don't need enterprise-scale complexity. They need a LIMS that's fast to deploy, cost-effective, and built with the critical workflows that keep lab operations running smoothly. Enterprise platforms are powerful, but often offer far more than growing teams actually need. And when SMBs are pushed into systems that are too heavy or cumbersome, bottlenecks appear. Slower batch release, added compliance pressure, and testing cycles that can't keep pace with production. Your team ends up spending more time managing the system than testing batches. Meet QM Essentials from STARLIMS, a scalable, purpose-built LIMS designed specifically for SMB batch manufacturers who need speed without compromise. QM Essentials delivers the critical batch workflows needed to improve testing, simplify compliance, and accelerate batch release. All in a cloud-based SaaS platform that can be deployed fast, so your team can start seeing value right away. No excess complexity, just the features that matter most. Right out of the box, QM Essentials comes preloaded with the essentials: key batch workflows, defined user roles, inventory settings, and security protocols. And based on proven STARLIMS architecture, QM Essentials keeps the security, auditability, and traceability of an enterprise LIMS, while delivering a faster, more affordable solution tailored to SMB batch manufacturers. Everything is right there and ready to fine-tune for your operations. It's not just faster deployment, it's smarter deployment. Let's explore how the QM Essentials LIMS simplifies the batch release process from start to finish with the batch workflow. Every batch begins with batch login. Here, you provide the batch details, define required tests, and connect relevant raw materials or finished goods. QM Essentials automatically structures the workflow according to your SOPs, removing guesswork and making sure every batch follows the same controlled path. Once a batch is logged, the process moves to sample reception, a major pain point in many labs. QM Essentials displays all incoming samples, containers, and expected tests, giving your lab team clear visibility and traceability into what's arriving. Using integrated barcode scanning, you can instantly receive each sample and apply QM Essentials pre-configured labels for error-free tracking, so every sample enters the lab with complete chain of custody documentation. Next comes results entry, the point where quality data becomes actionable. QM Essentials offers multiple ways to capture results: manual entry for low-volume testing, or integrated instrument runs for high-volume workflows. Selecting an instrument, like an ICP mass spectrometer, is as simple as choosing the analyzer from the list, scanning or selecting the samples, and adding QC materials to validate accuracy. You can select the reagents or testing materials used, such as nitric acid, from your inventory to deliver full traceability. Once the run is generated, data flows directly into QM Essentials. As your team enters or reviews results, QM Essentials provides immediate visual indicators. In-spec values appear with green checks, while out-of-spec values display red indicators, alerting users instantly and reducing the chance of releasing a batch with hidden issues. With results complete, the process advances to batch release, QM Essentials review environment. Here, reviewers can evaluate every detail of the batch: raw materials, finished goods, sample-level data, result history, genealogy, and any items flagged during testing. The genealogy view allows reviewers to confirm whether upstream materials or previous results could impact the current batch, providing an extra layer of protection before release. From the same screen, users can preview the certificate of analysis, automatically generated through Crystal reports. Before final release, reviewers can explore related information: retests, traceability details, analyst identity, timestamps, and complete e-signatures with a comprehensive audit trail. Once all steps are verified, the batch is released and ready for downstream workflows. Users can also perform test-level or sample-level releases prior to batch release, thanks to the conditional release options built into the LIMS. If you need more than the core workflows, QM Essentials still has you covered. Optional extensions like environmental monitoring and stability studies can be added to expand capabilities and deliver deeper insight into lab performance. With QM Essentials, shift your lab from reactive to proactive. Teams stop chasing data and start controlling it, gain visibility into every sample, and reduce product release delays caused by incomplete or inaccurate information. The result? Faster, more confident batch release, with the consistency and quality modern labs demand. If you're ready to modernize your quality operations with a scalable, cost-effective LIMS designed for SMB batch manufacturing, book a demo and see how fast your team can get started with QM Essentials today.